Well, it's now 11 a.m. We've been out here for a couple of hours. We've made it through the little rainstorm that was here. And our eaglet is still sitting up in his tree, being pretty quiet. He did squeal a little bit ago. I'm going to zoom in a little bit just because we don't have the thermal distortion today. Hopefully that rain cleared out the air a little bit. It does smell a little bit better here. So we're still getting a couple sprinkles, but not as bad as we were a little bit ago. So I didn't melt. Cameras didn't melt. We got, oh, he is definitely squealing. Kimberly said as soon as she left that he would do something. So we'll see. Okay, I'll zoom back out a little bit. And again, the lighting isn't all that great. We don't have the beautiful blue sky background that we had yesterday. But it is getting a little bit lighter out, and we are able to see a little bit of color contrast, which is awesome. And loving this rain. This is, you know, we just don't get enough rain out here during the summertime. And, you know, emphasis on the summertime. We do get rain pretty much all winter long, just drizzle, overcast, misty. So we get a lot of moisture during our winters. And then, of course, up in the mountains, we get the snow. Oh, we are starting to get a little bit more rain. We've got the gray sky right above us and over to the west. And that's kind of moving this way. So it's probably going to be this way for a while today. But it is about feeding time. And if there is a time that eagles get fed, usually a little bit earlier in the morning and then a little bit later towards lunchtime. And again, the adults might be withholding food, hoping that this one just says, you know what, I better just go find something because I'm really hungry. And of course, if he squeezes too much, then they will bring something back. And as mentioned before, the eaglet may be experiencing rain like this kind of for the first time out of the nest. And he's getting a little bit antsy right now. So we are going to get our other camera and potentially get ready to get some flight shots. We got some good ones yesterday. They weren't super, but they were good. So we'll try to attach those to a video. I'm not done processing videos from yesterday. Or maybe we'll just make a sequence of photographs. Oh, here he's gonna go. Okay. Definitely looks like he's gonna take off. Oh, got a poop. Got a scratch. Walking around a little bit. Oh, and here he's gonna go if he's, whoops. Okay, that was interesting. I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit in case he does take off. He's looking off towards this way. And here he goes. He's going around the tree out the back. See if he'll come back around. His wings are a little bit wet, so he's like, whoa, wait a minute. Okay, and he just flew off towards the back. But that was our little eaglet and his antics for the morning. Hopefully he's gonna go off and find some food, or find the adult with food, and hopefully get in on that feeding. But we will hang out for a while and see if he does come back to the area. And if not, we're gonna call that good from the Covington Community Park Eagle Tree. Have a great day.